For anyone whose minds and hearts are mostly dominated by your stomachs, a delicious and satisfying dish could lighten up even the darkest of days in just a flick. The obsession in the food is observed to be much more evident in today's times, having all of the recipe books, TV cooking shows as well as the cooking sites. And how could you forget about all those big figures which basically inspire how we prepare food, eat and even think? That's right, the chefs. Chefs are the people driving the craze of food, and unquestionably they dominate the culinary world. Foods from all over the world are happiness, and produced by the craftiest hand of the greatest chefs from all over the globe, they're simply ecstasy. But of course, we need to give the credit to all the culinary chefs who prepare the dishes that offer culinary orgasms to people all over the world. Never ever forget to thank the chef. Listed here are the 5 best chefs from around the globe who satisfy your tummies with foods and rarely get appreciated for this. They're the most influential as well as the best chefs of all time that have dominated and still dominates the culinary world, providing a terrific sense of taste for all. Take a look. Number 5, Gordon James Ramsay, born the 8th of November 1966, is a British chef, restaurateur, writer and television personality. He was born in Johnston, Scotland, and raised in Stratford-upon-Avon, England. His restaurants have been awarded 16 Michelin stars in total and currently hold a total of 7. His signature restaurant, Restaurant Gordon Ramsay in Chelsea, London, has held 3 Michelin stars since 2001. After rising to fame on the British television miniseries Boiling Point in 1998, Ramsay had become one of the best-known and most influential chefs in the UK by 2004. As a reality television personality, Ramsay is known for his bluntness, as well as occasionally fiery temper, strict demeanor, and frequent use of expletives. He combines activities in the television, film, hospitality, and food industries and has promoted and hired various chefs who have apprenticed under his wing. Ramsay is known for presenting TV programs about competitive cookery and food, such as the British series Hell's Kitchen, The F Word, and Ramsay's Kitchen Nightmares, the latter winning the BAFTA for Best Feature at the 2005 British Academy Television Awards, and the American versions of Hell's Kitchen, Kitchen Nightmares, MasterChef, MasterChef Junior, as well as Hotel Hell and 24 Hours to Hell and Back. In 2018, Forbes listed his earnings at $62 million for the previous 12 months, and ranked him the 33rd highest earning celebrity in the world. Number 4. James Trevor Oliver, also known as Jamie Oliver MBE, born the 27th of May 1975, is a British chef and restaurateur. He is known for his approachable cuisine, which has led him to front numerous television shows and open many restaurants. Born and raised in Clavering, Essex, he was educated in London before joining Antonio Carluccio's Neal Street restaurant as a pastry chef. While serving as a sous chef at the River Café, he was noticed by Patricia Llewellyn of Optimum, and in 1999 the BBC aired his television show, The Naked Chef. This was followed by a first cookbook, which became a #1 UK bestseller. His television work included a documentary, Jamie's Kitchen, which gained him an invitation from Prime Minister Tony Blair to visit 11 Downing Street. In 2005 he opened a campaign, Feed Me Better, to introduce schoolchildren to healthier foods, which was later backed by the government. He was the owner of a restaurant chain, Jamie Oliver Restaurant Group, which opened its first restaurant, Jamie's Italian, in Oxford in 2008. The chain went into administration in May 2019. His TED Talk won him the 2010 TED Prize. In June 2003 Oliver was awarded a member of the Order of the British Empire. Number 3. Thomas Keller, born October 14, 1955, is an American chef, restaurateur, and cookbook writer. He and his landmark Napa Valley restaurant, the French Laundry in Yountville, California, have won multiple awards from the James Beard Foundation, notably the Best California Chef in 1996, and the Best Chef in America in 1997. The restaurant is a perennial winner in the annual Restaurant Magazine list of the top 50 restaurants of the world. In 2005, he was awarded the 3-star rating in the inaugural Michelin Guide for New York City for his restaurant Per Se, and in 2006, he was awarded 3 stars in the inaugural Michelin Guide to the San Francisco Bay Area for the French Laundry. He is the only American chef to have been awarded simultaneous 3-star Michelin ratings for 2 different restaurants. He currently holds 7 Michelin stars total, 3 at Per Se, 3 at the French Laundry, and 1 at Bouchon. Number 2. Sanjeev Kapoor, born the 10th of April 1964, is an Indian celebrity chef, entrepreneur and television personality. Kapoor stars in the TV show Khana Khazana, which is the longest-running show of its kind in Asia. It broadcasts in 120 countries and in 2010 had more than 500 million viewers. He also launched his own food channel in January 2011. Discovery Communications, through its Indian organization, has acquired a majority stake in Kapoor's channel. Chef Sanjeev Kapoor is the most celebrated face of Indian cuisine. He is chef extraordinaire, runs a successful TV channel Food, hosted Khana Khazana cookery show on television for more than 17 years, author of 150-plus best-selling cookbooks, restaurateur and winner of several culinary awards. He is living his dream of making Indian cuisine the #1 in the world and empowering women through power of cooking to become self-sufficient. Number 1. Clare Smyth MBE, born 1978, is a Northern Irish chef. She is the chef patron of KAPOOR by Clare Smyth, which opened in 2017 and received 2 Michelin stars as a new entry in the 2019 guide. She was chef patron at restaurant Gordon Ramsay from 2012 to 2016. She became the first female British chef to hold and retain 3 Michelin stars. Smyth won the Chef of the Year award in 2013 and achieved a perfect score in the 2015 edition of the Good Food Guide. Smyth has appeared on television shows such as MasterChef and Saturday Kitchen. In 2017, Smyth opened her first restaurant, KAPOOR, in London. It has been awarded 2 Michelin stars in the 2019 Michelin Guide.